2019 GMC Acadia. The GMC Acadia is great capability coupled with exceptional safety. Offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology and thoughtful ergonomics, the Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, backup camera, power liftgate, all-wheel drive, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, remote engine start, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, auto-dimming rear view mirror, cruise control, 4-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, keyless start, universal garage door opener, climate control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.